What is the value of z in the triangle? Well, from the prompt, the only thing we actually know, our friend Mr. Euclid would tell us that if we add these three angles up, we get 180 degrees. The sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Other than that, we don't know anything, but that will be an important fact to keep in mind as we move to the statements. So statement number 1 tells us that x plus y equals 139. Well, that's interesting, because if we go back to Euclid's fact here, we know that x plus y plus z equals 180, or in other words, 139 plus z equals 180. This would allow us to solve for z, so this is sufficient. Statement number 2 tells us that y plus z equals 108. Well, much as the sum of x plus y allowed us to solve for z, the sum of y plus z would allow us to solve for the value of x, but that's not going to answer the question. And unfortunately, knowing this fact alone does not allow us to distinguish how much of that 108 is y and how much of the 108 is z. So we have no way to find the value of z. So this statement by itself is insufficient. Statement number 1 sufficient, statement number 2 insufficient. Answer choice A.